So what kind of companies are performing the best at the moment? This is from JPMorgan Asset Management. It's the kind of data we look at for our clients on the Great Investments Program. And what you're seeing, and I'll interpret it for you, so you get an insight into how professional investors look at data, how they interpret things, how they also evaluate whether something's important or not. Times of recession, for instance, higher quality companies tend to outperform. Those are the kind of companies which are relatively undervalued, showing high growth, low downside volatility. In other words, when markets fall, they tend not to fall as much. Now, what we're seeing at the moment is famously what Warren Buffett said when he said, when the tide goes out, you can see who's swimming without any shorts on. What he means is, in a rising tide, all boats rise. When that tide goes out, when the markets fall, which they inevitably will, you'll be left with only quality companies outperforming. So to protect against that, what we do is, even in good times like now, is we ensure we've only ever got quality companies, because those are the companies we'd obviously want in bad times, obviously, but we'd also want in good times. Why would we reduce our criteria just because the times are good? And also, it's very difficult to tell when good times are about to become bad. That can happen just like this. So it's difficult to tell, and they can switch quickly. So you always want quality companies, is the rational expectation to have. So what do you see at the moment? We see every fool on the internet showing how their portfolio is up 1 billion% in a day. Okay, and that's quite frankly because when you look at the data coming out of sources like this, everything's rising, especially the speculative companies. And when the speculative, poor quality companies are rising, that's when you know there's a lot of money just chasing returns. Now, why should that be so? Well, because there'll be FOMO. There'll be people who feel they've missed out. So they then gamble and they say, well, I don't go into quality companies. I need to catch up. So I'll go into the higher risk companies. And that's exactly what we're seeing at the moment. We maintain our discipline throughout all of that because it is my son's junior ISA, my wife's SIP. Wherever you are in the world, from Australia to Canada to Britain to America, we have clients from everywhere on the Great Investments Program. Have a look at alpeshpatel.com. Save this video, like it, because then it'll tell the algorithm, hey, send me more of Alpesh's videos, and other people will get them as well. I'll do more of them. I'll give you more insights from the likes of JPMorgan Asset Management, Goldman Sachs, and the like, so you get bite-sized education. Thank you.